Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make bean dip at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of pinto or black beans, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1/4 cup of chopped onion. Don't forget 1 minced garlic clove and your favorite spices like cumin and chili powder. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for a delicious snack. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes soft and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until it's wonderfully fragrant. This step is crucial for a rich, aromatic dip. It's time to bring in the beans. Drain and rinse your 15-ounce can of pinto or black beans thoroughly. Add them directly to the skillet with your sautéed onions and garlic. Using a fork or potato masher, mash the beans to your preferred consistency, whether chunky or smooth. Now, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder for that classic flavor. To finish our delicious bean dip, add 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth to the skillet. Stir everything together and let it simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste your dip and adjust the seasonings, adding salt or more spices if desired. Serve your warm, homemade bean dip with crispy tortilla chips or fresh veggies. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.